Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. Now I can show you how to resolve problem with opening Jupyter Notebook in Anaconda 3. So basically it's because of permissions error. So firstly, try to open WinR to open the run mode. Run window and input here %updata%, click OK, and you'll open the roaming folder. Here find Jupyter folder, and here you have runtime. Click on it by the right button and find properties. Here find security and add permissions if you don't have permissions. So click continue, here find system, click add, and try to allow full access. So you can do it in this way, but as you can see I can do it here in this way. So we can try to do that with a CMD line. So, and it's the best way to do that. So just open start menu, find here CMD and run it as administrator. Cool. And here we should input this command. So C users computer box data roaming Jupyter runtime and grant leave here username and T will grant all permissions to this folder. Click enter, and if you entered all correctly, as you can see computer box, this is my username. To find your username you should open local disk C users, and here you will see your Windows username. As you can see, it's different from my Windows login. This is different name, so your username can be different. Okay, it's not always different, but can be different. And enter here your username, and then the path for this file should be the same. Of course, if you change the localization of files when installing Jupyter, so in this way you should enter here the localization of your Jupyter folder. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful for you. Now let's try to open Jupyter, and here we go. As you can see, it works. So cool. Thanks for watching. Like this video. Hope this video was helpful for you. Bye.